That was new panic. That was new panic. This is almost going to be like new euphoria. People are going to just expect us to straight pump through it. I can't really see that happening. So if we do have a sort of like a little bit of a retest down here, higher low and go, that would be fantastic.
Yeah, all of them.
What a way to start off October, guys. In today's video, we're going to look into some of the areas that we should be picking up some more ICP and some more crypto. Let's get it. Just as expected, the new euphoria was the major resistance. All right, guys, now I always plug the community pool, but it's not only the community pool you're going to get, guys. It's going to be a bit of like a sentiment recheck. You're going to get a great community. You're going to get trades, all that stuff as well. But I did say to everybody in the members club on the 26th of September that it's squeaky bum time and we're coming up to major resistance. We need to have a reset and remember where we are. We hadn't broken out of major resistance. We're still in the channel and we can still pull back over the next week and possibly the first couple of weeks of October to scare retail. Let's see how we react in this red box. The next day we continued to pump into it and I said it's super hard to not be excited right now, or it's hard to not be super excited right now, but remember we have resistance right above us. I would be very surprised if we just pump straight through it. It's gonna be a choppy weekend. A couple of days after that we said the RSI on the daily for Bitcoin is overheated and we'd be expecting some downside or consolidation for the first week of October. However, the last time we were here on the monthly time frame was right before the parabolic rally of 2021. So we still have a room for a blow off top. Okay, that is in the long term. And then just yesterday, guys, we're letting off steam to start the week. This is great. The daily RSI was extremely overbought. However, the weekly is still oversold, meaning we probably have a few days of red to allow for more weeks of green. And then I said to them, look, go and back test all of these messages to show that we're not just saying it on the day, right? Oh no, we were expecting a dump. Like a lot of these people will say they've got no proof. So now what we're looking for is we're looking for a higher low in Bitcoin, okay? So again, look, we had these max fear levels right above us, which was like these red levels, okay? Every time we hit these max fear was an amazing opportunity to buy. That has some confluence with this chart here being the 1618 breakdown at around 58k to be a higher low. Imagine if we go sub 60 again, guys, everybody is going to start to poop their pants. And then for the altcoins, we were in a supply zone. We tracked this supply zone for so long. Is it surprising finding resistance in the supply zone? No. So look, we were super excited last week and it was really great to start to see some new higher highs being printed. That was step one. Step two is the new higher lows. Until we do lose those lows, we shouldn't really be getting too upset. Okay, this is a great opportunity to be buying some of our altcoins at a discount again. And again, some of the members club asked me last week, hey Lex, have you been buying anything this week? I said, hell no, keep your cash position. But then you're going to see people like this say, welcome to October. Guys, this massive move here must be on the 5-minute chart, right? Because this isn't even a 5% move. It's from like 64k to 62k. How many percentages is that? Like 3% maybe? So remember, don't let a 5% dip distract you from the fact that Bitcoin has experienced its best September of all time by producing a 7% monthly return. As we said in the last video, every single year we've had at least 4 red months. This year was the most bullish year of all time. We've only had 3 red months, okay? So is October going to be the last red month of the year, which would panic so many investors? Are we going to return bullish for the rest of October and then have November or December as red? You guys can let me know. Are we even going to have any more red months? Is this just a final shakeout, printing a new cycle low? But look, the whole market is down right now, guys. We've had a bit of a sentiment recheck. We were in greed. We were at like 65 last week. I think it was like nearly extreme greed. We're now back down to neutral. Oh, another thing to make us not scared of what we're buying is knowing what the hell you are buying and holding. ICP is the only 100% on-chain crypto. You can see here all of your other favorite coins. You know, they all run on either like Google Cloud, Azure, Amazon Web Service. They say that they're fully decentralized, but if you're using a centralized cloud platform, then, you know, you're not decentralized. We can't expect to break through these things straight away. This has been major resistance since March, okay? And to show you that, let's get rid of all the way since March 13th. This has been a very difficult area for us to get through. Now, like I said in the clip that we did just see, it would have been good for us to have a little bit of resistance and now find a new higher low. And on top of this, you're going to see a lot of people on Twitter start to doom post now and zoom in to like the 2-minute chart to show a massive dip down when really they shouldn't really be doing posting. I'm not going to make this too much of a long video today because I know a lot of you are going to be quite upset at the price. You just want to know, when should you be buying more, should you be selling, all that sort of stuff. You can see that we've got two targets here of around $8.42 and $8.05. If you use your trusty old fib here, guys, you can see that that is on the 0.5 fib and on the 618 fib as well. So you can see here that we've had a nice little wick of this $8.42. However, if Bitcoin wants to complete its breakdown to around that 58.6k, then obviously it's going to bring down all of our altcoins with it. So right now, my eyes are on the prize. Can we hold this trend line? If not, can we hold $8.42? If not, can we hold $8.05? If not, are we going back down to retest the very, very start of that breakout, guys, which would be all the way down at like $7, between $7.12 and $7.50. You guys can let me know your thoughts in the comments. But right now, none of us should be shocked. We do have breakdowns, whether that's going to be for ICP, for any of your other top cryptos. Then you must use this time to your advantage, guys. That's it. Just a bit of a sentiment recheck. We'll keep it chill. We'll see how this week does plan out. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Is this just a final shakeout before October resumes? Or is October going to be a down-tober? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And I'm seeing you in the next one. Peace.